We know eating organic is healthy, but how does it affect farmers? To answer this question, I analyzed this dataset containing agricultural data of smallholder farmers in Tanzania to see what differences existed between organic and conventional farmers. Based on my experience conducting a qualitative study analyzing the effects of regenerative farming on smallholder farmers in India, I predicted that organic farmers would have a higher household labor usage and decreased cost of production. I also analyzed revenue, profit, and gender equity in household decision-making. After cleaning the data and manipulating the variables to be analyzable numerically, I did an exploratory analysis to see if I could find any differences between the groups. While I didn't find any differences between labor usage or gender equity in decision-making, I did find something interesting. While conventional farmers had slightly higher revenue than organic farmers, their cost of production was much higher. When I calculated the average profits for the different groups, I found that while revenue for organic farmers was lower, their average overall profits were significantly higher. Additionally, the proportion of organic farmers that were profitable during this time was higher than that of conventional farmers. But there were some limitations. First, the study was done during the COVID-19 pandemic, which may have affected the data. Costs of agricultural inputs were likely higher during this time due to supply chain constraints. But if this was a confounding factor, it just further demonstrates the improved resilience of organic farming against external market forces. To test for this limitation, I could conduct the same analysis with agricultural data taken from previous years of the study. Second, this analysis is purely observational. The differences observed could be confounded by other variables like crop variety, market linkage, location of cultivation, and more that I would need to regress out of the dataset for a robust analysis. So what does this mean? For consumers, consuming organic food not only provides you with more micronutrients, probiotics, and less exposure to toxic residues, but it also supports a system that encourages farmer self-determination, resilience, and income. For policymakers, policies like organic certification support, premium market linkage, and knowledge transfer can offset risk and improve benefits for farmers to switch to organic farming. So long story short, eat organic.